This is the first time I'm doing this on my PC, so hopefully everything works out well. Because I'm just gonna bring the stuff I have downloaded just for this purpose. Normally I would have a bunch of photos already in my collection in Creative Cloud files, but not all of it has ported over from my Mac, so I made a new folder just for this project. I already kind of have an idea of what I wanted to do. Take a look at how we're gonna do this. Okay, so far so good. Sounds good. Alright. So we rasterize this layer in order. The tolerance of that be like 100 contiguous. No. 50, 70. Say that's pretty good. All right, deselect. Linked. Yeah, I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to do. Okay, so I'm thinking that I want to keep some of this black. But you know what? No need to do that because I could easily recreate it if I wanted to later. Let's create a clipping mask here for that. All right. And use the pen tool. You know, sometimes you just need the accuracy. That would be too accurate because this is a collage, you know? Don't even help the authenticity to make things look like that. And now, time to hit the internet and get some paper texture. Something like, it's gonna be differente. Anyway, over here with this, we're gonna do image mode grayscale, flatten the start, all the color information. Over here, and do soft light. And then we're gonna bitmap. Okay, and there we go. Simple, and the texture, the half-tone texture ties everything together. Make it look like a cohesive whole, something you could find in a magazine maybe. Good. Let's add noise to this one. Let's do 11%. Gaussian, monochrome, go. Look at that. Then, as a finishing touch, maybe do something over here. I'm gonna do blur, do motion blur for smart object, sure. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, blah, and voila. There's no meaning to blah. Blah, and then maybe something below it. Let me run faster. Suitably sporty. Okay. Blah, run faster. There we go. Blah, run faster. Cool, and that's it. This very dank thing. Very 80s, 90s design, I guess. Seems like something from that era. Yeah. Well, so that's it.